Democrats explain why they approved impeachment articles against President Donald Trump. The Judiciary Committee releases a sweeping 650-page report, and the full House gears up for this week's historic vote. Voters pressure lawmakers to impeach or not to impeach. Democratic Congresswoman Alyssa Slotkin says she will vote to impeach.
That what we are doing, whether we agree or disagree, is exactly what our founding fathers designed 240 years ago. They asked us to come together.
The full House votes Wednesday on the impeachment articles approved by the House Judiciary. Then the Senate takes the reins. Minority Leader Chuck Schumer yesterday sent a letter to Majority Leader Mitch McConnell. It outlines procedures modeled on President Bill Clinton's impeachment trial in 1999. And it proposes a timeline for the Senate to adopt pretrial measures on Monday, January 6th, swear in the Chief Justice and senators on Tuesday, January 7th, and begin presentations Thursday, January 9th, for up to 24 hours each, both for House Democrats and for the President's Council. His letter lists 4 witnesses he wants to testify: Mick Mulvaney, John Bolton, Michael Duffy, and Robert Blair.
These 4 witnesses have direct knowledge of the facts, particularly in regard to the delay in the aid to Ukraine. I don't know what they'll say. Maybe they'll say something exculpatory about President Trump. But for so many people who think that there are many Republicans who are saying, yeah, this looks pretty bad, but we need more evidence, this is the right evidence.
Republican Lindsey Graham wants the trial to be quick.
I don't want to call anybody. I don't need to hear from Hunter Biden. I don't need to hear from Joe Biden. We can deal with that outside of impeachment. I don't want to talk to Pompeo. I don't want to talk to Pence. I want to hear the House make their case based on the record they established in the House, and I want to vote.